Good morning, everyone. My name is Saroj Kumar, and I am currently living in New Delhi. And I have completed my master degree in Master of Computer Application. And today, today I am going to explain one of the most important topic in DBMS Database Management System, which is normalization. And by the end of the session, you will understand what is normalization, why do we need first normalization form, second normalization form, third normalization form, a real life example. And so let's go begin. What is normalization? Normalization is the process of organizing data in a database to eliminate redundancy and improve data integrity. Imagine you have a school notebook. If you write the same information again and again, the notebook become a messy. For example, this table. A student ID 101 Rahul. A student name Rahul. Course DBMS SQL Python. Teacher Amit. Here the subject name and teacher names are repeated multiple times. This repetition is data redundancy. Data redundancy. Normalization is the process of organizing data into the multiple related table to reduce redundancy and improve data consistency. Why do we need normalization? Data is repeated, storage is wasted, updating data become a difficult, deleting data may be cause information loss, inserting new data become a complicated. First normalization form. Each column should be contain only one value. प्रत्येक कॉलम में सिर्फ एक ही वैल्यू होना चाहिए. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल एक टेबल बनाते हैं. a student टेबल. इसमें a student नाम नेम and a subject. A student name Rahul, but subject multiple. ये रॉन्ग फर्स्ट नॉर्मलाइजेशन फॉर्म ऐसे नहीं होता है. फर्स्ट नॉर्मलाइजेशन फॉर्म का करेक्ट टेबल लाइक दिस. A student name and subject. Rahul SQL Python राहुल और Rahul and Python This is correct table, first normalization form. Now every cell contains only one value. This table is in the first normal form. ये इनकरेक्ट टेबल है। एक टेबल में एक कॉलम में मल्टीपल वैल्यू को नहीं रखना है, प्रत्येक कॉलम में एक एक वैल्यू को रखना है, एक एक वैल्यू को ही रखना है। जैसे स्टूडेंट नेम, सब्जेक्ट राहुल, एसक्यूएल राहुल, पाइथन, अलग अलग। सेकेंड नॉर्मलाइजेशन फॉर्म, द table should already be in a first normalization form. Every none key attribute must depend on the entire primary key. For example, a student ID, a student name or course ID. Here a student ID a student name depends only one a student ID. Not on a course ID. So we separated the table. A student table, a student ID and a student name. 101 Rahul. Enrollment table, a student ID and course ID. A student ID 101 and course ID DBMS. Now this problem Dependency problem is solved is called a second normal form. Third normal form 3NF. The table should already be in a second NF. None key attribute should depend on the another none key attribute. Let's example. A student ID, department ID or department name. Department here, department name depends on department ID, not directly on a student ID. So we split it into a tables, a student table. A student table, a student table. A student ID or department ID. Department table. Department table. Department ID and department name. Now every column depends only on the primary key. This is a third normal form 3NF. Let's quick revise. Normalization, reduce data redundancy. Data redundancy. First NF, only value in each cell. Second NF, remove partial density. Third NF, remove transitive dependency. Thank you everyone.